Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp property details to JustDial leads automatically. So let's suppose I am running a real estate business and I am connecting all my leads with the help of JustDial. I want that whenever I capture a new lead from this JustDial, I should automatically send the property details to this lead. Now doing this manually will consume a lot of my time, so I've completely automated this process, and to do this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between this JustDial and WhatsApp Cloud API. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a manner that whenever I am going to receive a new lead from JustDial, automatically I am going to send the property details with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can send the WhatsApp property details to all the leads which we have captured from JustDial, and for this we are going to create an amazing automation using Pabbly Connect, in which we are going to create simple integration between this JustDial and WhatsApp Cloud API. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. Now before we sign into our Pabbly account, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly. After browsing this website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I am going to click on this Pabbly Connect, access now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I need to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I am going to select this new beta, and then I'm going to name this as send WhatsApp property details to JustDial leads automatically, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders which have been created. I am going to select it as WhatsApp automations and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. Now as soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where it is asking me to enter the trigger application. So here trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send a WhatsApp message to JustDial leads, which means whenever I am going to receive a new lead from JustDial, I am automatically going to send them the property details using WhatsApp Cloud API, which means whenever I am going to receive a new lead in JustDial, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking JustDial. Following this trigger application will be my action application, in which I am going to take WhatsApp Cloud API. Because after receiving the leads, I am going to send the message. So here in my trigger application, let me quickly take JustDial. And in my trigger event, I am going to select it as new lead and then click on connect. Now I need to make connection between JustDial and Pabbly Connect. So following the help desk given below, it is written to automate lead capture, copy the above webhook URL and configure it in your JustDial account. Reach out to your account manager from JustDial. Now to configure this webhook URL, I need to contact my account manager from JustDial. We are going to send the webhook URL and then they are going to configure this particular webhook URL to my account. We cannot do this manually by ourselves to our account, so we have to contact JustDial itself. Next, it's written, JustDial portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL on the user interface of their application. Hence, you need to send this webhook URL to your JustDial point of contact or the backend team. Now here I have already created this setup. I have already sent this webhook URL and I have already configured this webhook URL to my account. So over here we can see this waiting for the webhook response. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in JustDial, I will capture that response in this workflow. So I'm going to wait for the response. Let's wait for the response. So we have captured the response. The name of this person is new user, phone number is this, and the email address is new7483@pabblytudes.com. Now here, as soon as I have received the lead, we can say that the connection setup which was created between Pabbly Connect and JustDial with the help of this webhook URL, that is successful. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in JustDial, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to send a WhatsApp message. So in my action application, I will take WhatsApp Cloud API. And in my action event, I am going to select it as send template message and then click on connect. Now, if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. Now over here, we are provided the hyperlink. Over here, it is written learn more. So I'm going to open this and you will see it has taken me towards the forum page of Pabbly. And if I scroll down, I'm provided the detailed video of how you can get these details, token and the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. You can watch these tutorial videos. And now I'm going to go towards Meta for Developers. You can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. Now on the top where you can see all these options, we have to go towards My Apps. I have created the application which I'm going to open. And then we have landed towards this app dashboard on the left hand side where we can see all these options and then click on this API setup. Now here I have landed towards this API setup page. I have this access token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. I am going to generate this access token. I am going to reconnect with my Facebook account. And here you see a temporary access token has been provided to me. I am going to copy this token, this phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID quickly there. So after entering all these details, I'm simply going to click on the save and here connection saved successfully. WhatsApp Cloud API is connected with Pabbly Connect and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is that I have to enter this receiver phone number. Now I'm not going to enter these details manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. I have received the details from this JustDial and when I click on this field, I can see this JustDial. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. So I'm going to click on this phone number and map this. So this is how we map the details. Now in this template ID, to get this template ID, I am going to open the API setup page again. And if I scroll down, you can see this. You can test a test message by clicking send message. So I'm going to click on this hyperlink, create your own template, and it will take me towards the message templates page. So here it is, and to create a new template, you simply need to click on this create template. From here, you have to choose the template. I'm going to select it as custom, then click on this next. And then you have to name this template. So let's say the name of this template is JustDial, and then you have to select the language. Then you have to select the variable, whether you want it to be name or the number. And then you have to enter the header message if you want to put that in your message. And then you have to provide the body. And then if you include this footer, then you can do that. You can also include the buttons. If you click on this add button, you have this call to action and the quick reply buttons. So over here, I am going to add the body like hello, and then I'm going to add a custom variable. So this custom variable changes whenever I'm going to get a new response, and with the help of this custom variable itself, we create custom templates. Now over here you have seen this variable. You can take it as name or the number. I have selected it as number, and that's why I've put number. You can add as many as custom variables as you want in this particular message template. I have added this for the name, hello, like suppose the name of this person is demo user. So I am going to provide the value to this custom variable like this, and then here are your details. And then I'm going to provide the phone number, email address and the rest of the details, and then I have to provide the value to that also. So if I put second custom variable, I need to provide the value like, so let's suppose the second custom variable is for the phone number, so I have to provide the value like this. So I hope this is clear to you how we can use these custom variables and create custom template. Now after selecting the language, naming this template, selecting the variable, entering the value to the variable, or if you want to add the buttons, after doing all these steps, you simply have to click on this submit for review. Your template will be reviewed, and then you can use this template to your workflow. Now here I've already created a template which I'm going to open it for you. And here is the template which I have created by the name JustDial. So I'm going to open this. And here I have created a custom variable for the name of the lead. Hi demo, thank you for showing interest in a property via JustDial. Here are some options you might like. These are the options: location, maps and photos available on request. Would you like me to share more details or arrange a site visit? Waiting for your response, real estate. So this is the template which I'm going to send to all my JustDial leads. I'm going to select my template ID from this drop down as JustDial, and then in the language code I'm going to enter EN. And then the template name is JustDial. Template has header? No. So if the template does not have header, I am going to toggle on this header type and remove this text from here. The text value, media link, file name, location, latitude, location, longitude, location name and location address. These fields are not required one. I am going to skip this. But if you want to enter, you can enter following the help desk given below. The template has body? Yes. And then I'm going to provide the value to this variable. As I've told you that I have created this template and I have created a custom variable for the name of the lead. So I'm going to give the value to that custom variable by mapping the name of the lead which I have received from JustDial. I'm simply going to click on this JustDial and map the name of the lead as new user. Now the template has no button. I'm going to select it as no. Then again these fields are not required one. I'm going to skip this. Now over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now here, I have added a dummy phone number which I am going to remove, and I am going to enter my own WhatsApp number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message when I am going to execute this workflow. I am simply going to click on the save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. So here I have received the response. This response is a positive one. Let me quickly open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received this message there or not. And here it is. We have received this message. You can see the custom variable has been replaced with the name of the lead. Hi new user, thank you for showing interest in our properties via JustDial. Here are some options. This is the same exact template. So now to summarize, we took JustDial as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We captured the new lead in JustDial and then we wanted to send a WhatsApp message. So we took WhatsApp Cloud API as our action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the template and the phone number, executed this workflow and finally send this message. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between this JustDial and WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.